I'm gonna do a top speed run, followed by some acceleration tests. So I do a 0 to 20, 0 to 30. Enough yapping. Let's get on with the speed test. Let me make sure the other app is recording too. We're gonna reset this, and we're gonna record. We're gonna go back here. We're gonna reset this. So the first is the speed test. So, all right, no cars are coming. All right, let's try it. Ah, my God, freaking advertisements. Everybody wants you to pay. All right, 0 miles an hour. All right, let's go. More, 51, 52, alright, that's all she got in that clip. So, I said 54 on this one. I guess I read maybe slightly less when I was looking at it. But it says 54 on the top speed. I'm not too sure if you can see that. 54, and then the other one says 53.6. So but yeah, basically like 54. Reset this. You're gonna go back here, right? We're gonna reset this again. So just want to say 54. Hopefully you can see that. So 54 and reset. All right. Hopefully I can angle it up more. All right, let's see if we can get a little better speed. I mean, that's pretty short, but I think we got it. I think it's enough. All right. Gradual pull. Help fight the bolts and sag. 45. 49. 51. 52. 53. I'm the extreme duck into the curve. 54. I could have probably hit more in the curve, but it's all good. I think if I have more of a runway, it's 55, and I do want to hit 55 for you guys. To say 54 again, and then the other one, 53.9. So we're back. We got the other tune going on. We're gonna see possibly if we can hit a little bit higher top speed on this run. Well, not higher, just 55, because 54 is so close, and I would love to get to 55, honestly. Even if I have to tuck, I'm still gonna, it's flat ground. It's fucking farmland. So, I want to hit 55. So, there's no cars. We're gonna go ahead and reset this. We're gonna go ahead and reset the other one. Back. Alright. Hopefully this is it. The battery's kinda, it lost like almost 2 volts already, so, but I mean, hey, we're still good. Alright, 43, 45, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, oh, I got 52, 50, so I got 53, Let's fucking go. And that was with like, that was with extreme tuck. Holy shit. My battery's probably cooked right now. 56 volts, yeah. Holy shit. All right. We're gonna turn around. We're gonna turn around. Holy shit. Holy shit. I'm gonna stop right here. 50, 55. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. Where's the other app? I mean, if you round up, technically, I'm calling it 55. I'm calling it 55. So, what I also wanted to do, holy shit, I had the mask down. 55 miles an hour, that's great. All right, so I also want to do the acceleration test as well. So I'm gonna probably wait until this road clears out, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do the acceleration test, which, like I said, is the 0 to 20, 0 to 30, and then the I guess I don't want to do the 0 to 45 anymore, because I feel like with the battery sag that's at, it's already lost 2 volts, so like that's kind of, I feel like it'll probably be a little bit stronger, you know. I'll do the 0 to 45 on a separate, like a full-blown acceleration, but the 0 to 20 and then 0 to 30 is a good indication, and I usually see a lot of people doing the 0 to 20 and 0 to 30 tests anyway. So let's go ahead and see. Here's the app, and I think as soon as you start moving, it'll start it'll already like, you know, start the countdown. I already started, so it resets automatically when you stop, which is good. All right, 3, 2, 1. Alright. We're at 3.1 seconds for 0 to 20 and 4.5 seconds for 0 to 30. All we gotta do is stop, and then we can do the test, and we'll see what we get again. We're gonna stop. I'm gonna save this, and we're gonna try one more time. All right, things reset. And 3, hold on, 3, 2, 1. Oh. All right, that one definitely felt a little more torquey, honestly. As you saw, the wheel kind of was like spinning. So we got a 2.9 and a 4.4. That's 0.1 seconds. That's, I'm gonna try it one more time. All right, looks all clear. Reset everything. All right, fix the pedals. All right, in 3, 2, 1. 2.7 and 4.2, and that's ducking. I think that's solid. 2.7 is even lower than the first one, so I think if you add them all up, actually, I am gonna add them all up. This is the third. Let's add them all up. Let's get the average going. The first run, 3.1, 2.9, and 2.7. Decreases by 0.2 each time. At 3, it's 2.9. I mean, it's pretty obvious, but that was the average. So 3 seconds, 0 to 20. And then our 0 to 30 was 4.5, 4.4, 4.2. So it might be probably like 4.3. So 4.5 plus 4.4 plus 4.2 is 4.3. So yeah, so about 2.9, 0 to 20, 4.3, 0 to 30, and that's acceleration test. So yeah, I think that's a solid test, solid speed run. So let's go back to the thing. 55 miles an hour. We got the 2.9 0 to 20 and a, what did I say? I can't even remember the other one. 4.3 0 to 30. And this is the 52 volt, 50 amp hour. The motors are 2,000 watt. I think they peak at like 3,000 watts, or probably even higher than that. I think they're like the 205 QS clones, but they're from NBpower. And then a battery, this is like the stock battery that came with the Seeker 24. This is like an Amazon battery. I can't even find the specs anymore on it. Same in the rear. It's a little thicker, so I think it has a little more torque, honestly. Like the width of the actual motor is thicker than the front, but they're the same diameter. Running two far what the fuck, why don't get off the bike? Running two far driver ND7200s, 50 amps, 175 phase amps each. And got the other one over there, hopefully you could see it. So yeah, overall just clean bike. 55 miles an hour. I need to not do this in the street, but 55 miles an hour. 2.9 0 to 20, 4.3 0 to 30. I can't remember those specs just like right away. But yeah, just clean, solid 24-inch wheels, 24 by 4-inch wheels. The original was like a Seeker 24, but yeah, she's worked. She's modded out and does 55 miles an hour now, and has some strong acceleration, strong torque, and I'm happy with it. I'm happy overall, and that's my video for today. Peace. $52. $53. $54. Oh, 55. I got 55. 55. I got 55. I got 55. I'm happy with it. So, real quick while I check this shit out. That's not bad. 55? 55 for a run like that? And it was, I think it was like 56. And I haven't even stopped. That's pretty fucking good. Okay, let's see. 55.1. And the other one, 55. I had a 55 mile an hour bike. That was extreme tuck, but I don't give a